Hello guys, so once again welcome back to Crypto Denzel TV. So guys, please and please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, kindly subscribe to the channel, like the video and also comment below, and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell for more updates whenever I release a new video on how to make money online. So guys, today without much further ado, I'll show you how you basically earn with this newly launched USDT platform over here. So guys, what you basically need to do is to first of all sign up a new account. So I'll show you how you basically sign up a new account. So first of all, you type in your email over here, then you type in your password, your invitation code, then you click on this sign up button over here. So for me, I'm already having an account, so I'll just sign in right now for you guys to see how everything is being done over here. So I'll just enter my password real quick over here. So it says login success over here. So I'll just have to close this over here. So over here guys, this is my dashboard over here, as you can see. So for you to start earning on this platform, you basically need to know some options, or you basically need to know some things over here. So first of all, over here you can see a home button over here, mission, team, level and me. Okay, so first of all, you need to check your account, or you need to check your profile over here. So you click on the me option over here. So when you click on it, you could see a lot of buttons over here, which is the deposit button, withdrawal, account title, financial records, and you could see modify password, logout over here. So guys, in order for you to also buy a plan over here, first of all, you need to check your level, the VIP level in which you are. So over here we have the VIP 1 to be the BHO, and we have the VIP 2 to be the BH1, which is $60. But remember guys, they've given you free $50 and you only need to add $10 to it, so I could be able to earn $2 each and every day. And with the BH2 over here, they've given you $50 already, and you just need to top up with $60 so that I could be able to earn $12 each and every day. And we have the BH3, which is the VIP 3. They've given you $50 already, so you just need to top up with $110 so that I could be able to earn $32 each and every day. And it goes on and on. We have the BH4 going for $440, which they've already given you $50. We have the BH5, which is $650, which they've already given you $50 already. So guys, that's it over here. So for me, I've bought the BH1 over here, which is $60, and they've given me $50 already. Guys, remember the $50 is free and is by default. As soon as you register with my referral link, they'll give you free $50, which you top up to be able to gain more profit on this particular platform over here. So guys, I'll click on this mission button over here. So when I click on this mission button over here, first of all I need to do is to click on this go to finish button. So when I click on this go to finish button, it will load for a while, then it says completely, or it says successful over here. So what is left for me to do is to withdraw. So I'll just click on this withdrawal button over here. So I click on this withdrawal button, then I will type in the quota over here, then I will copy my wallet address over here. As you can see, my balance here is 68.6. so I will click on the deposit, then I will choose the USDT TRC20. I'll copy this wallet address over here, copy it, head back to this particular platform, then I'll paste the address over here, then I'll type in my password for withdrawal. Okay, so what is left for me to do is to confirm it over here. Okay, so let me confirm the security password over here. So guys, it says withdrawal succeeded. Withdrawal succeeded, guys. So guys, whilst waiting for my withdrawal to be in my account, let me show you how everything basically works. So guys, you can also refer your friends, and anytime you refer a friend, remember guys, anytime that you refer a friend, you'll be getting your commission over here. You'll be getting your commission over here. And remember guys, you'll be getting a 10% commission on every single person that you refer. So actually, let's say if a person deposits $100, then you automatically get a $10 free. If a person deposits $20, you get $5 for free. So guys, that's it over here guys, and you just need to jump onto this so that you can also make a lot of money for yourself guys. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, but this is how I make money online, and I've decided to share with you. So guys, as you can see, my deposit is in right here. My deposit is in. Your deposit of 3 USDT is currently processing. You do not have to recognize this activity. Please contact us immediately. So guys, boom, my withdrawal is in. Just some few minutes and my withdrawal is in. So guys, Binance will confirm it. Binance will confirm it as soon as possible. But I've received a message saying that I received this amount over here. So guys, okay, it's in over here guys. It's in confirming, as you can see. Confirming over here. So guys, everything is really well over here. I just made $2 just now. Just depositing $10, and I've made $2 out of it. So guys, remaining $8, and with the $8, I can just make that $8 whenever I refer somebody to this particular platform. So guys, once again, thank you all for watching Crypto Denzel. If you find my videos really amazing, just give me a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more updates. Also guys, join my Telegram group and WhatsApp group for more updates. Also, I do futures trading live, so I give out live trading signals. So join my Telegram so that you can also make a lot of money for yourself. Once again, thank you. Bye.